Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is an Indesit tumble dryer. It's a vented tumble dryer, and I want to check today if both elements are working. So right now it's tumbling with some jeans in there, and I've got the energy meter on it, and it's drawing 1.4 kilowatts, which is about right for one element. Now if I push that in, it goes up to 2513. So it looks like both elements are working just fine on this machine. Switch it off again. That's about right, I reckon. That's excellent. So that means the elements, both of them on this machine, are working, the high and the low. Normally the low is just one element and the high is adding in a second element. But if you don't, if you don't want to hang around to see if the air is blowing through it and it heats up and you can feel it on your hand, which is how I used to do it, just stick the energy meter on it and it'll tell you straight away what's going on inside in the machine. If it was reading about 200, you'd know just the motor was working and no elements were working. So if you want a quick way of testing the element, that's the way to go. Those plug-in energy meters are really handy to have around. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.